Welcome back. Carrie Vandekeep with United Healthcare. So nice to make some time to come in because it's a busy time. Open enrollment is right around the corner. Some folks are already getting busy on the Medicare side right now. It's a topic like we were talking before. It's not the craziest thing to talk about, but it's also important though because if you put it off, you could put yourself in a tough spot. Thanks for coming in. Why is this so important right now? Open enrollment and people choosing health care plans.
Absolutely. 'Tis the season for open enrollment for, as you said, the Medicare Advantage people. There's about 630,000 Iowans that are in Medicare plans right now. Open enrollment actually has started already. It started Monday the 15th, goes through December 7th. So, there's a lot of things going on this fall. There's Thanksgiving, there's Halloween, there's a lot of holidays coming up, a lot of activities happen in the fall. Don't wait until the last minute to make those decisions. For the employer, those who have employer coverage, a lot of plans renew on January 1, which means a lot of employers offer their open enrollment in the fall, sometime in between September now or in the end of the year. A lot of employers will offer options. It's not a one-size-fits-all option.
What about those folks that maybe haven't gotten coverage and say they just can't afford it right now? What advice do you give to those people?
Sometimes it's that the coverage that you don't have yet is the most important thing you can do for your own health. So there's really three things to consider when you're choosing a plan option, and the first one is definitely the cost. You'll have multiple options available to you on most employer plans typically, so choose the one that works best for your situation. The situation that works best for me may not work the best for you. Especially coming up in 2019, if you have any changes in your plan. Are you planning a surgery? Are you adding a new family member? Maybe a baby's coming. So one of those situations could definitely change the type of plan that you may need for 2019.
For folks that need help navigating, because it's complex sometimes when you look through the paperwork and you try to, how can you help?
There's a lot of terminology out there, and it is important to not only understand the cost of the plans available, but also to understand the terminology. It's not just the premiums that are coming out of your paycheck, it's understanding your deductible, your out-of-pocket, and understanding those choices. United Healthcare actually has some tools available to help with that because we understand there's a lot of terminology out there. We have a couple websites available. One is justplainclear.com. That is for just understanding the terminology, so that's basically a dictionary definition site. We also have uhcopenenrollment.com, all one word, and that really is a site where people can find some tools and resources to help look for ways to save and prevent some of those financial surprises.
All right, go check out those websites. Lots of information there, a lot. Carrie, thanks for coming on and getting us thinking about open enrollment time. An exciting time. All right, everybody, stay with us. We got much more coming your way next.